In this lesson, I will show you how you can create, deploy, and track QR code directly inside your high-level account so you can turn every offline moment into digital conversation opportunity. What we are going to cover in this course is how to create your QR code, how to embed the script into your high-level account. Let's head to our GHL account. We have different features, the manage columns. If you don't want any, just on toggle, you click on apply. Feel free to explore all these features that are available here. Let's move over to the generate a QR code. You can generate from your GHL plugin platform, or you can generate directly from your high level account. Click on the generate, and the second pop-up is going to show right here. Choose an account that you wish to work with it, and then you select the type. As I mentioned, we have the SMS, the link, email, WhatsApp, phone, location, and VCAT. In my case, let me say I want to work with links. The naming is always important. It's going to be very, very necessary for you to name this because it's going to help you identify the specific QR code you're working on. You can customize it with any color of your choice. The link that you're going to insert here can be the link of your website, a link of your funnel, or any other link you wish to. So in this case, we are going to use a link from a funnel or from a website. Let's head over to our account and see how we can create a funnel. You head over to your account, click on sites, funnels, and you click on create a new funnel. You can choose from blank, generate from AI, or generate an already existing template. But in this case, I don't want to generate anything because I have a sample funnel that I want to use to show as an example. Once you've chosen from these three options, you can click now on the create button. I want to use this. I can take the link of this funnel directly from here, or I can preview and take the link from the URL preview right over here. I head back to my plugin and I paste the link here. Then I click on the generate. This is the QR code. Whenever somebody gets to this, he's going to scan the code and he's going to fall on the landing page that I built. And I also have an automation that is built. Whenever you scan this code, it's going to trigger that automation or it's going to fire up that automation. So let's just go bit by bit. You can copy the link from here and share. Let's say copy. And let's paste on a new tab to see how it looks like. So you can share this code with your clients. And when you're done creating or you're done generating the code, then you click on save changes. It's going to save your changes. And that is the first way to generate your QR code. Let's move ahead to the second method of generating your QR code. The second way of generating your QR code is by getting the script. Click on your profile icon right over here. You go to settings, and from settings, you click on links, and you can click on add link. Then you choose a service you wish to work with. And here is the QR code that we're working with. And then you click on save. When that is done, just scroll down, then you copy the link, head to your account. At the level of the agency view, click on the settings, and under settings, we have custom menu links. Head over to create a new, and then you insert an icon. You give a title to this, let's say QR code, and then you paste the custom menu link which we copied from the plugin. Then you choose a sidebar preference, you select an account, and you give a role-based visibility. In this case, we are going to take all, and then you save. So from there, you can just switch to your account that you inserted a custom menu link, and you search for it. Then this interface is going to pop up here. This is the same interface we have at the level of the GHL plugin. So you can either generate the QR code from the plugin, or you can generate the QR code from your account. Without withstanding, let me show you how you can create an automation that is going to fire whenever someone scans your code. So you head over to your account, click on automations, and then you click on create a workflow and choose from scratch. You can select from a template, import from a campaign, take from a company-based workflow. In this case, we'll take from scratch. We don't want an existing workflow. Always rename your workflow. Then here we're going to add our trigger, which is going to be form submitted. Because when building the funnel landing page, we inserted a form, let's say form submitted. And this form that you're going to include in the workflow is the same exact form that you use on funnel or your site. So let's move ahead. So you add a filter, you select from form is, and then you choose the exact form that you inserted in your funnel or your site. You save the trigger. We're going to move ahead to an action, and this action is going to be an SMS that your lead is going to receive whenever he has scanned the code. The message body is just going to tell the lead that he scanned the code and he requested for a free strategy session. When you are done with your action, you save the changes or you save the action. Next, let's add a tag to the specific lead. Let's say this tag is a QR strategy session, and then you add a tag, you save the changes. And the next action is going to be an email. Let's send an email. Okay, this email is going to notify the lead that his request was successfully received. We add the subject, and you can add the email from, you can add from a first name, you can add from the user email, and you add the body, then you save the action. And up next, we are going to add an action that is going to be an internal notification that will notify our team members that the lead successfully scanned the code. Click on the add, and then you add an internal notification. Here is just a sample automation that you can use alongside with the QR code. I just did this because I wanted to show you how intense the QR code can function. And once that is done, don't forget to publish your workflow, and then you save your changes. So when this code is scanned, it's going to trigger this workflow, and these various actions are going to be executed. This automation turns a simple QR code scan into a complete marketing flow, moving your prospect from curiosity to conversations without any manual effort. In short, the QR code captures attention, the form captures the lead, and the workflow captures opportunity. That's the power of QR code plus automation inside your high-level account. Fast, trackable, and fully scalable for any agencies or businesses. We have some best practices that we always need to put in mind. Use dynamic QR code for easy URL updates. Always endeavor to test your code on multiple devices before launching. Keep your destination mobile friendly because most scans happen on phones. Pair with automation, trigger an SMS, email, or workflow action after the scan. You've learned how to create your QR code in both ways, either from the GHL plugins or from your account itself. You've learned how to trigger automations with a scan through the QR code. See you in our next video where we're going to talk about the best practices and the benefits of the QR code for your business.